What I'm showing you here is the 6803 Dreamcolor LED strip controller with 133 color changing modes. As you can see, it's got a controller that ties into the strip. Also has a remote. I think that's, there you go. Anyway, that's what the remote looks like. It's got a little antenna on it. A little bit dark so this light shows up. And this is what the eBay listing looks like. And I've got my shutter rate set 1/500th, so you can see everything scanning. But that's so you can see the strip and what it does. I've got the speed set on the highest speed right now. I'm going to walk through it and show you the different modes. And once we get to where it's starting to move, like this one here, it's moving so fast, I have to slow it down so you can see what it's actually doing. Color change, but when it's too fast, it all looks like one color. So I'm going to speed it up. Whoops, not that fast. Oh. How about there? Yeah, now you can see what it's doing. That's a pretty one. Looks like it rotates through all the colors after each pulse. So some of these I'll have to sort of let them set for a while to see what they actually do. I'm going to speed this one up. Okay. So these come in sets, so it's going to rotate through all the different colors, doing the same thing. Like that's going to reverse here in just a second. Well, maybe not a second. Same thing. Same thing. Some of these effects are pretty cool. Here's a neat one. See how it repeats. We're just going to walk through all the different colors now. Oops, I skipped that one. Let me go back. 37, I'm not sure where. skipped it, but we'll go to 36. That's what 36 is. 37. See what happens when it cycles again. Same thing. Okay. We're about a third of the way through. So this one changes colors. So we've got a new pattern here, starting at 45. So let me show you a little bit about the range of the speed. Now we're at this. So right now I'm at speed 4. So that's at speed close to 100, which is the slowest. Very slow. And speed 1 is the fastest. So let's keep on going up. Number 51. Let's slow that one down a little bit, see what it's doing. Looks like it's changing colors as it goes. Yep. Speed it up a little bit. So for 30 bucks, it's not bad. Probably if I bought it from a Chinese seller and was willing to wait 3 weeks, I'm sure I could have gotten it cheaper. But this one shipped from California. Got it in about 3 days, I guess. Slow this one down a little bit. See what it's doing. Speed it back up again. That one's a little bit harder to see on the screen because it's all the same color, but you can see there's a bright area that's going down, and then the rest of it's lit dimmer, but the same color. You can see if slowing it down will allow it to show up on the screen better. Yeah, it didn't show up on the video that well, but you can sort of get the idea of what it's doing. Let's speed it up. Yeah, it shows up better visually than it does on this video. This one needs to be slowed down a little bit so you can see what. Okay, slow this one down so we can see what's going on. So when you go really fast in some of these, it just all blurs together. Like here I go full speed, and this polygons just blend together in one, unless you've got really fast eyeballs. Let's see what this looks like all the way at the very slowest speed. That's the slowest speed right there. Back to faster. Let's go to speed 5. Should be getting to some really colorful ones here. Yeah, I think this is it. Let me slow that down so you can see what's going on. Still a little bit fast. Let's take it down to speed 50 or so. There we go. Okay, next one. So these are pretty colorful here. This is 95. It's a solid blue. This is a multicolored. 96. Let's see what that looks sped up a little bit. It's 35. Let's take it down to 20. Speed number 20. That's speed 20. Speed 10. Speed 5. That one works pretty well at the, even at speed 1, it looks pretty interesting. So that's number 96. I have to remember that one. 97. And this is the highest speed right here. So the ones right below 100 get very colorful and bright. And at 100. I guess this is what they're calling a horse race. This one here starts stacking. You can't see it yet, but now you can see it stacking. Sort of like a one wide Tetris. This one's stacking. I haven't sat through it yet, but I assume it just stacks all the way over and then starts over again. There might be one that changes color when it starts, but I haven't sat through the whole thing. Okay, 114. This one's stacking. Another stack. Stacking in the other direction. I'll slow this one down. Let's slow this one down a little bit more so you can see what's happening with the colors on these. $121 is pretty colorful. Let's see what that looks like sped up. These are stacking in the middle. And the last one. Let's slow this one down so we can see what it's doing. And if I go one more up, one more, that's going to go back to 1. So I guess some of my favorites, personally, I like the ones right around 100, the full color. Like that one there. Let's see if I speed it up. So that's at the highest speed, and that's number 97. 96 is a faster version of that. Slow that down. So anyway, now you've seen all the different modes, and hopefully you can read that display. I know it flashes across, but that's the way those numbers are refreshed. When you have a very high shutter speed, you can see it sweep. Anyway, that's all I have to show you on this.